Hi everyone, this is Pravindra from Dice University, and in today's video we are going to teach you on how to make a Clickbank landing page for your native ads using Landerize. It's going to be really awesome, guys. But before we proceed to today's video, just the usual, please support us by hitting the subscribe button for this channel, the like button at the end of the video if you like the video definitely, as well as the bell notification so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos and so that we can keep creating good content for you all the time. Are you ready for today's video? Let's go.
This video is brought to you by Landerize.com. Create highly optimized landing pages in minutes. Get your 14-day free trial in the description below this video.
Welcome to today's video, everybody, and in today's video what we are going to do is we are going to teach you on how to make a Clickbank landing page for native ads. So the landing page software that we'll be using is called the Landerize. Landerize is a landing page builder created by our very own beloved Colin Dice himself, especially catering for affiliate marketers. So they do have a normal drag and drop template. You can actually create the templates, the landing page all within minutes, and they do have a normal common things that all landing page builders have. But the one thing that they have special than a normal landing page builder is that you can automatically upload your landing page into Amazon S3 once you set up your landing page. And this solves a huge issues faced by a lot of affiliate marketers where their landing page, when they use landing page builders like ClickFunnels, Leadpage, Instapage, Elementor, and all this, what happens is that the landing page starts to load very slow, and this makes them to lose their click-through rate. They have already built a beautiful ad, so they have a very high click rate. They are paying for that click rate, but then those landing page load slow and their click-through rate goes down. And when the click-through rate goes down, their conversion rate goes down as well. And this is an issue known by Colin Dice himself. Definitely, he's a super affiliate himself. That's why he have actually created Landerize for us to solve this problem. So before we take a look at Landerize, let me just tell you that there's actually a 14 days free trial for Landerize currently. I have actually included the link for the Landerize 14 days trial in the description of this video. So if you're interested, you can actually go ahead and grab that particular 14 days trial. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to go to Clickbank and choose an offer. So I don't want to waste a lot of time on choosing offer, so I'm just going to sort by popularity, and then I'm going to choose or offer. So let's do this one, custom keto diet. Okay, this is the offer that we're going to do. So we're going to take a look at the offer page. Everything looks pretty neat with the offer page. Very nice offer, very high converting offer. And then we're going to put our email address to go into the affiliate tools. So I have did this custom keto diet before, and they do have a lot of tools that you can use. And since we are building native ads, the most important tools that we need is either article or email swipe. So once we have both of them, let me just download the email swipe. Once we have both of them, what we have to do is we have to go to Landerize and log in into Landerize. So this is how Landerize looks like once you log in into Landerize. The first thing that I would highly suggest you to do is go to the getting started, where there will be an introduction on how to use Landerize Basic and how to set up the Amazon S3, how to connect the Amazon S3 with your Landerize, how to connect to the Landerize support team, and how to schedule onboarding call. This is very important, especially step 2 and step 3, because without setting up your domain, your S3, you will not be able to utilize Landerize for its full. So once you have set up all the domains and everything, now we can actually go ahead and start creating a page. So when you go and press new landing page, you can actually see there's actually 18 templates available right now. Don't worry about why so little templates, because Landerize is a brand new software and they are currently adding at least 4 brand new high converting templates every single week, and each of these template has a different reason, guys. Nutra, sweepstake, gaming, FB compliant, brain stimulator, Nutra, CBD, advertorial, and all this kind of stuff. So depending on what particular offer that you choose, you are going to build a similar landing page. So since we are in the custom keto diet, so we are going to use a Nutra VSL. So either we'll use this one, or this one. So I'm going to use this one, for example. This is one of my favorite templates that I always use with Landerize. So custom keto diet. So we're gonna save that So it's very easy to edit something with the key to sorry with Landerize, guys. All you got to do is, if you want to copy something, hit the brown button, rename the title, for example, and then it's copied. So if you want to move them around, you can just hit the purple button and then move them around. And then if you want to, let's say, want to edit this, right? So you're gonna hit the pencil, you can click edit this, and you can also delete the whole thing. So let's start building our landing page, shall we? So when we are talking about native ads, we should build landing page which has a little bit of title, images, and some kind of writings, so that they know what they are going to have in when they are actually going to see the offer page. Because initially our ad itself will say that it's actually a native ad, it will be shown like a native ad, but then we need to do this as well. So let's start. So first thing is, we want to edit this. So you can actually change the size of this heading, you can make it bold, italic, you can change the color and everything. So we are just going to make it blue, and then we're going to make it a little bit small. That's what we're going to do. And then to change the image, it's pretty simple as well. All you got to do is just select the image and browse the image from your computer or your desktop or whatsoever, and then paste it. And whenever you're changing an image, make sure that the Landerize, every image that you change, they will have a recommended size that you can actually use. So you can actually resize the image that you actually take a look at. For example, let's go to keto diet here, and then we find an image that we can actually use, right? Let's say let's use this one, guys. So this one looks nice. uh this one looks nice, right? So we're going to save this image and we're going to use this image. So what we're going to do, oops, sorry, it's a banner, right? So first thing, banner, we're going to use this one. So we're going to use this one. I'm going to show you the difference between resizing and non-resizing. So sometimes you can just go ahead and upload that image that you just saved. It might look a little bit nice when you just upload it sometimes. For example, let's just upload and see. So when you upload this image, oops, wrong image, guys, wrong image. This one, this is the image that I want to upload. So sometimes it looks pretty neat. This one looks pretty neat, right? Sometimes you need to go ahead and resize. So if you want to resize, you can definitely use Canva. Canva is a designing software created for people who can't design anything to design everything, guys. So it's very easy to use. So let's say you have this size, right? 370 times 75. All you got to do is create design custom dimension 370 and 75, and then you can actually upload your image. For example, let's upload our keto diets, this one, and then you can just drag it and paste it there, and you can actually resize it accordingly. You can actually, sorry, you can actually paste it and you can actually resize it accordingly. So you can do a lot of stuffs here with Canva to actually resize the image. But our image looks pretty neat. Sometimes you don't need to resize, sometimes you have to resize. So totally depends on what you want. And then once you want to edit other stuff, you can still edit like normal. You can change the name and everything. You can change the image as well. Do the same thing, resize the image, go Google, search for an image, and then paste the image here. So we don't want this one. I don't usually, when I do this, I don't usually use that particular thing. So now start editing the words, guys. So like I told you, when you're doing a native ad, the most important thing is the word and the article. So you need good words to keep your audience in track. So what you want to do is, you want to go to the email swipe that we just downloaded just now, and then what we're going to do is, we're going to copy certain words from that particular email swipe, guys. So I've already downloaded the email swipe, I've already extracted, because what this offer requires you to extract everything. So I'm going to copy paste the headline which I feel is good. So I copied this exactly from the email template. Don't worry, guys. You see it to be small. Don't worry about that. Just make sure when you're putting a title, especially in a native ads campaign, make sure everything is capitalized over here. If you're using like something like, for example, AdBlade and regular example, they will actually ask you to do this, and they will not approve it if it's not like this. So this is something that we really need to do. So you can actually change it into really big size, guys. Don't worry about that. Then you can actually bold it, you can make it in the middle. So you can even change the color if you want to. So we're going to change it into green. Everything that we are going to do is green. So I did blue, right? So I'm going to change it into green. It's going to be green. Yep. So makes it looks really fresh. So once we done that, then we can actually make the image go a little bit here, or if you want to paste something else you can just put there as well. So we're going to change the image. We're not going to do much. We're going to change the image here. So what you're going to do is we're going to take an image which we saved just now for the keto, and we're going to paste it here, and let's see how it looks. If it looks really bad, big or bad, it looks too big, right? But then you can actually resize it. So you can see the size, right? 780 times 500. So go to Canva again. This time we go 780 times 500. Create design. I'm going to show you live how to do it, guys. So we're going to go upload. We're going to upload an image. So we're going to upload our image that we saved just now, and we're going to resize it. We're going to resize it nicely so that it fits. How it looks if it fits. No, it looks bad. So we're going to resize it nicely so that it fits pretty neatly. So that's how you want it. That's how you want to resize it. Actually, that's how you want it to be resized. You can change the background image if you want to. The background color, for example, you want it to be this color if you want to, and then we can actually save it in PNG. And then now we can go back to our Landerize, and we can upload the image that we just saved and take a look on which actually looks better, the one that we resized or the one without resize. The one that we resized look definitely better, right? Oh, that's how you do it. And then over here you can actually paste your affiliate link. Just now we remember when we go Clickbank over here, we have to promote, right? And then I told you there will be a pop-up coming out, and then you have to generate your hop links, and you can actually find your affiliate link. You're going to paste your affiliate link here. Make sure to erase the paste the link here first, and then you paste it, because sometimes the paste here is there. So once you've done that, now go to the next one. Simple enough. Watch my wife slash bum 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 bum. So we're going to change these words. We don't want these words, so we're going to go and take a look at the email, swipe again, and then we're going to paste it here. How does that look? That looks way better, right, from the one just now. So you depends on you want to make it short, or you want to make it some space, you want to give some energy to it, totally depending on you. So it looks pretty neat like this, right? It looks pretty neat like this. So just read, make sure it's all good. Okay, make sure it's all good, and then that's it. Now you can go ahead and edit the watch now button. So what you have to do is make sure that your offer page is a video. If it's a video, then you can actually maintain the watch now. If it's not a video, then you can put something like click now or learn more, something like that. So I like the color, it's already matching, but then let's make the color into something much more greener, guys, much more greener. So we want it to be a dark green, but we want it to be a little bit darker. Oh, not that dark, guys. We want it to be a little bit light green. This might be a little bit hard for you. They just wanted to make it very easy for everybody to use. So maybe our call to action button can look this color, a little bit greenish compared to the normal ones. And also when you are running a native ad, so the next one is this too, right? So when you are running a native ads, this is not something which is compulsory for you to actually put, because native ads, people know that it's ad. But when you're running a Facebook ads, for example, and everything, this is very important. And not only that, the privacy policy, the terms and condition, it's very important for you to put it there. So you can actually put it there if you're running an Facebook ads and everything. But if you're running a native ads, you don't need to put it there. It's very easy to put it there. Just click on the pencil, just go to your website, create a page for privacy policy, terms and condition, disclaimer and all that, and paste the link here. That's it. That's how easy it is. So now we don't need it because we are doing a native ad, but I want to keep this one over here. It's just a protection for you guys. It's a protection to prevent any legal issues from happening to you. you. So once we have done that, we can actually save and everything looks pretty neat. Now we can just tweak with the background a little bit. Tweak with the background a little bit to make the background looks pretty neat, guys. So the background looks pretty neat right now, so we just gonna make the words look clearer. So since the background is that, we can't use a green word as well because the background is green. So black words is black is much more clearer, right? Black color is much more clearer. What do you think? Or do you want to change a different color and check it out? Maybe purple. That looks horrible, right? So we're gonna change it into red. This one can be red, this one can be black. I think black is the best, guys. Black is the best. Yes, black is the best. So it looks pretty neat, guys. So you have actually created a landing page for your native ads, guys. So it's very simple. So the final step is for you to save and make sure you go to the gear icon here, and then all you got to do is make sure the page name title is the exact one that you want. You can change it according to the offer video or offer page, sorry. And then over here is where you're going to cancel and paste your affiliate link again. So once you paste your affiliate link here, hit the save button, and basically you are done, guys. You have actually created a beautiful landing page from Clickbank offer for your native ads, guys. And then you have to do a little bit tinkering later on when you're creating your native ads itself, but this is how the landing page should look like. It's really pretty neat. So once you have done all that, go to my landing page, and then find your landing page that you build and hit publish. When you hit publish, it will ask you to choose a domain, the domain that you have previously set up. I told you, right, you need to set up the AWS and domain. So choose the domain that you want to, hit publish, and that's it. You have successfully exported your particular landing page to Amazon S3. You can see it over here, Amazon S3, but you might be wondering why it's showing not published yet. Don't worry, guys. All you got to do is just go ahead and refresh the whole screen, and it will show that it's already published, guys. So that's basically how you go ahead and build a Clickbank landing page for native ads using the Landerize, guys. So basically that's it, guys. But before I end, you saw how easy it was to build a landing page, right? If you want to grab the opportunity, guys, there is an opportunity which is a 14 days free trial for Landerize. I've actually put the link in the description of this video for you. You can actually click that link and claim your Landerize 14 days trial. And also there is actually a 45 days native ads campaign course given to you by Dice University exclusively for Dice University Forum members alone. It's free, guys, but all you got to do is you got to be a Dice University Forum member. We are doing this as a gift for our members. So if you want to claim that free native ads course, all you got to do is register into Dice University Forum. I've also attached the link to Dice University Forum in the description of this video as well. So click there and register into Dice University Forum to claim your free 45 days native ads course. Finally, before we end, just the usual, guys, please support this channel by hitting the subscribe button and like button if you like this video, definitely, as well as the bell notification so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and so that we can keep creating good content for you all the time. I'll be seeing you in the next one, guys. Bye bye, tata.